Redbubble is an online marketplace that allows independent artists to sell their designs on a variety of products. The company was founded in 2006 by Martin Hosking, Peter Stiles, and Paul Van Zella in Melbourne, Australia. The platform is primarily focused on providing a platform for artists to sell their designs on a wide range of products, including clothing, phone cases, home decor, and more. Artists can upload their designs to the platform and set their own prices, while Redbubble handles the production and shipping of the products. One of the key features of Redbubble is the ability for artists to set up their own shops on the platform, where they can showcase their work and connect with customers. This allows artists to build their own brand and reach a wider audience than they might be able to on their own. Redbubble has become a popular destination for shoppers looking for unique and original designs. The platform has a wide variety of products available, with something for everyone, from pop culture and fan art to abstract and minimalist designs. In addition to its artist-focused marketplace, Redbubble has also been recognized for its commitment to sustainability. The company uses eco-friendly materials and production methods, and has also been recognized for its efforts to promote diversity and inclusion in its marketplace. Redbubble has also been recognized for its strong community of artists and customers. The platform features a variety of social features, such as groups and forums, which allow artists and customers to connect and share their work. Despite the challenges posed by the COVID-19 pandemic, Redbubble has continued to grow in popularity, with many people turning to the platform to shop for unique and personalized gifts. The company has also been recognized for its strong financial performance, with revenues growing by over 30% in 2020. Overall, Redbubble has established itself as a leading online marketplace for independent artists. With its commitment to sustainability, community building, and a wide range of products, it has become a popular destination for both shoppers and artists.